Welcome back, everybody. Today is going to be all about digital assets or cryptocurrency. So let's get started. What do you say? Being a digital asset consultant for Kenson Investments, these are a few questions that I get asked by many people in the way of wanting to invest but not knowing a lot about this industry. And this is why I want to tell you about what these things are, explain a little bit of what digital assets are and what cryptocurrency are, so you have a better understanding. The first part is, what is cryptocurrency, or what is a digital asset? So we're going to try and break that down a little bit and explain what cryptocurrency really is. Think of cryptocurrency as a stock market. Stock market in cryptocurrency, though, is different from a traditional stock market. Why is that? A cryptocurrency stock market, if you would want to so call that, it runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Worldwide, it never shuts down, it never goes to sleep. So it's always running. So when you're sleeping, per se, that stock market is still running. People are still buying, people are still selling, and it's still going up and down. And that's part of why when they talk about the volatility, that it can be volatile because it's always running. So you could be sleeping, you could be making money. You could be sleeping, you could be losing money. That's just how it works. It's kind of an easy way to think of as what cryptocurrency is. So that cryptocurrency, they call it a digital asset because it is an asset, but it's not a tangible asset. It's more of a digital asset. So it's there, but it's not something that you can literally hold on to in an easier way. That would be more of a tangible asset of I can hold on to it. Like a car, I can get in it, as an example of. A tree, I can hold on to a branch, versus cryptocurrency isn't anything that you can really hold on to. However, you can hold on to it, it's just a digital asset, but it is considered an asset. Is it real money? Yes. You use your real money to purchase a digital asset, and when you sell it, you can then move that into your real money. So you're buying it with your real money, and then you're selling it, it goes back to your real money. Therefore, it's real money. It is there. Whether you made money on it or you lost money on it, it is still real money in real time, and it's there. Someone across the pond, shall we say, someone on the other side of the world doing the same thing, they're using their currency to do the same thing. Buying cryptocurrency, buying a digital asset, selling that cryptocurrency or selling that digital asset with their money, and they get their money back. It's no different. It's just running worldwide all at the same time. So hopefully that kind of breaks down an easy way of, or an easy example of, what is cryptocurrency? And yes, it is real money. The next part of that is maybe some terms. And we're just going to cover probably one of those terms today to get you more in line so you understand of what cryptocurrency is more about or what digital asset is more about. It's the same thing. I just call it two different words so that you understand that it could be this or that. It's the same thing. People just call it different names. The word that we're going to start with today is blockchain. Digital assets or cryptocurrency run on a blockchain. What is a blockchain? How is a blockchain used? It's very, very simple. Think of a blockchain as an accounting ledger, and it records all transactions across a network of computers. Each transaction is grouped into a block, and those blocks are put in chronological order or a chain of events. So this one was bought first, this one was bought second, this one was sold, those are all little blocks along the way, and they form a chain all linked together, forming a blockchain. Easy and simple, right? Using blockchain technology makes those transactions secure, transparent, and they cannot be altered once they're recorded. So that is an easy way to kind of break down of what a blockchain is, because every transaction is recorded on a blockchain. What makes these coins so valuable? If it's not a tangible asset, being a digital asset, what makes it worth so much? Let's think of something, a tangible asset, something that is worth maybe a lot of money. Let's take the Mona Lisa. Most people know what the Mona Lisa is. Beautiful picture. The Mona Lisa is worth a lot of money. So if you take the Mona Lisa and you were to digitally cut that up into little squares or little pieces, and allowing people to purchase a part of ownership of the Mona Lisa. So just little bits and pieces that you own, thus it makes it more valuable, and you have the ability to own a piece of that asset. Now, it is a digital asset, but you are owning part of the Mona Lisa. And as that price goes up, maybe you decide then to sell your portion of that Mona Lisa or a portion of what you own of the Mona Lisa. And so there's always buying and selling going on of buying bits and pieces of the Mona Lisa. That is a nice way to explain what like Bitcoin is. If you look at Bitcoin can be a big picture. There are 21 million coins, and there's about 20 million in the market. And people are buying and selling their portions to own a little bit of that digital asset. And that's how the money goes up and down, just like the regular stock market. And it's recorded, each one of those transactions, as you buy and sell, or as people buy and sell across the world, it is all being recorded on a blockchain. See how all that groups together? So that's kind of a simplified reason of how cryptocurrency works and how those things come together. If you would like more information or more videos like this about digital assets or cryptocurrency, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. I'd really like to hear from you and know what your thoughts are. Also, if you'd like to be on our podcast, please reach out to me. You can do that below. The information is there. So now let's talk about where some digital assets or cryptocurrency is at today in the market. Bitcoin today, right now, is at $94,740. Again, up from last week when we spoke. Continues to go up. Obviously, it will go down a little bit, but is it going to stay above that 92,000? That's the resistance number, and we need to get it up over that to see if it continues to be growing. It seems to be staying there. We'll see what's next. Ethereum is at 3279.50. Again, it's going up also. So far in January, we're seeing some good growth. XRP. XRP right now is at $2.04. Continues to go up a little bit. It's stable a little. It is going to take off. So hold on. Be ready for it because it is going to go up also. Now I'm going to give you one that I want you to put it in your watch. Maybe you should buy some. That's World Finance. And right now it is at 16 cents. 16,662, I believe is what that is. That's going to also be one to watch this year. Let's watch and see how it grows. If you're thinking of investing, contact me. Kenson Investments is a great way to start your journey to grow wealth. Now just to recap. We recap today, what is cryptocurrency? What is a digital asset? Kind of the same thing. Is it real? It's important to know those. And we covered what a blockchain is. So a little bit of the vocabulary so you can familiarize yourself more with digital assets or cryptocurrency. Thank you so much for listening. And we'll do this again next week. And great things to come. And again, thank you so much.